Hello everyone. I'm sure you're feeling wonderful today. So to make your day more wonderful, I have brought the analysis of Shakespeare's sonnet. Let me not to the marriage of true minds. I really like to read sonnets, poems more than novels. Do let me know your favorite things to read, poems or novels in the comment section. So let's start with the analysis of the sonnet 116. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when it alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. The poet says that when love alters, when it is given chances or changes over time, it is not love. Remover means the lover. The lover removes it from his life when it starts bending or declining. Oh no, it is an ever fixed mark that looked on tempests and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bark, whose words unknown although his height be taken. Poet compares love with a star. Like a star, it is always fixed in the sky. Never could a storm shake it. Its worth is not known, but it has a great height. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickles compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the age of doom. If this be error and upon me proved, I never read, nor no man ever loved. Love does not work under any time. Time can destroy anything but not love. It is like a farmer who reaps crops with his sickle. Time also destroys the rosy lips and cheeks, the physical beauty of a body. But love does follow neither hours nor weeks. It has no time. It lasts longer even in dreadful times. The poet challenges. If anybody could prove him wrong, he will never write again, and he will love no man in his life.